Welcome to Flipped Classroom. Our topic is number, and this lesson we are looking at prime factors. The learning intention for this lesson is we are learning about the prime factors of a composite number, and our success criteria is I am successful when I can create a factor tree, find the prime factors of a composite number, and write the prime factors in index form. Let's remember what the factors of 6 are. And if you forget about factors, you can click on the card up the top to watch the video about factors. So the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. And the factors of 7 are 1 and 7. Now this will help us when we're working out our prime factors. So what are prime factors? Prime factors are the prime numbers that make up a composite number. A way to find all the prime factors is creating a factor tree, and I'll create one underneath using the number 72. So let's start off by finding a pair of numbers that multiply to equal 72. If you remember back to the factor video, these were called factor pairs. Now we could pick any of the factor pairs, 2 and 36 or 3 and 24, but we will pick 8 and 9. Mainly because they're very close to each other. And this does help us when making a factor tree. It doesn't make it too long if we pick two factors that are actually in the middle or close to each other. 8 and 9 are a factor pair because 8 times 9 is 72. So let's find the factor pairs for 8. And this time we'll pick 2 and 4 because 2 times 4 is 8. Now 2 is already a prime factor, so we can't go any further with that. But 4 is not prime yet, so let's find the factor pairs for that, which is 2 and 2. And we do the same with 9. 9 is not a prime number, but we can find the factors, which are 3 and 3, and they are all prime numbers. So those bottom numbers, the 3 2s and the 2 3s, are all prime numbers. And from this, we can say that the prime factors of 72 are 2, 2, 2, 3, and 3. Now we can write this in index form. So writing this in index form is saying that 72 equals 2 to the power of 3 and 3 to the power of 2. This lesson, our reflection is try to make different factor trees of 72. So instead of starting at 8 and 9, try one of those other factor pairs and see what happens with the prime factors. And you should notice a pattern once you've made a couple of these, and you might find that there are easier ways that you might find making a factor tree. As always, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos on maths.